If you are thinking to learn digital marketing course completely for free, then this video is for you. I am going to show you 5 websites where you can learn the digital marketing skills absolutely for free and get certified from the famous brands itself. So without further delay, let's go ahead and start the video. This is Shailaja. Welcome back to my channel. The first application to learn the digital marketing skill is Hubspot Academy. In this website, you would find a plenty of courses with the certification completely for free. You can start searching through the categories. It has a multiple categories to learn the courses. For example, it has a marketing, sales and service segments. You can choose whichever the segment you would like to learn. It has a multiple topics listed out: automation, content marketing, email marketing and many more like that. Choose the topic which you would like to learn and it will list all the courses below. You can also choose the content type, like are you looking for an ebook, template or a course and lesson, and it will show you the relevant topic below. You can also choose the duration, like you would like to learn a 30 minutes courses or 1 hour, 2 hour courses depending on your time availability. It will also display the courses which has the topics covered within this limited time. HubSpot has its own softwares developed where people can use it for CRM tools, email marketing and many others. So you can also learn and utilize some of the tools completely for free from the HubSpot itself. You can learn this course depending on the level of knowledge what you have. For example, if you have completely zero knowledge about the digital marketing, then you can start as a beginner. If you have some knowledge but not very good at the digital marketing, then go with the intermediate. Or you already been learning but you want to advance your skills in digital marketing, then you can go for the advanced level of courses. It has a multiple languages here, but the default is English, so you can learn from the English itself. So if you scroll down and see, you would see a lot of other courses like LinkedIn marketing, revenue operations. You can also learn Excel, digital marketing. So whichever the courses has this kind of a label, that means it has a certification. You can see here also. And these are the ones which without certifications. You can also see how many lessons are there and what are the durations. This has 7 lessons and the overall duration of the course is 3 hours. So you can finish and get certified as a HubSpot CMS for developers within 3 hours with the 7 lessons. Likewise, you can see a certification course of 9 lessons with 4 hours 4 minutes, and you can get a certification on the digital marketing course. Go ahead, register yourself with the Hubspot Academy, start learning the course with your interested topic. The second application would be SEMrush. And maybe people think that this is one of the famous applications to search the keywords, but along with that, they do have a lot of free digital marketing courses and certification where you can learn SEO, content marketing, PPC, social media marketing fundamentals, competitive research, keywords and sales. You can also learn how to get hired as a digital marketer, mobile search SEO courses, local SEO courses and many more. Now many people will be thinking SEMrush is used for keyword search tool. Yes, but it also has a certain courses completely available for free, and you can also get certified from the SEMrush Academy itself. Now let's see what are the courses you can learn from SEMrush Academy. The number one is, it is famous for the keywords, so absolutely you can learn the SEO relevant fundamentals, keyword research analysis, and you can also learn the content marketing and how you can land your first digital marketing job. You can learn a SEO crash course. Second is, you can learn the content marketing, like the fundamentals of content marketing and how to land your first digital marketing job as a content creator. SEMrush tools has these particular courses like SEO, content marketing, PPC, social media management, competitive research and sales. In all these things, they do cover fundamental courses, keyword research analysis courses, mobile SEO courses, local SEO courses, how to sell on Amazon, convert the PPC into automation. So register to this SEMrush Academy, start learning these courses, start understanding the SEO toolkits of SEMrush and get certified from their courses. You can also have a good exposure towards the SEO and digital marketing. Site to learn the digital marketing course for free is Google Skillshop. Not many people are aware of this. If you go to the Google search for Google Skillshop, you would be able to see this particular link. You would get to see this particular link. This particular website is by the Google itself, and you would get certified from the Google itself. So if you see what are the courses you can explore and learn from this particular website, you can learn the Google Ads, you can also explore the Google marketing platforms. You can also measure the performance of ads with the help of Google Analytics. So you would be able to learn the ad search, the ad display, measurement, ad video, ad shopping, ad apps, ad discovery, many more options from the Google ad. And you would also get certified for these type of platforms and courses like search certification, display certification, measurements, video certification, ad certification and app certification from the Google. And this academy also have a Google Analytics individual qualification. You can also see the Google marketing platform like 360, video 360 certification, search ad 360 certification, campaign manager certification, creative certification and mobile experience certification. So all these things you can start, learn and get certified. Fourth website to learn the digital marketing is Google Digital Unlock. Now this is also one of the Google certification free course where you can learn the digital marketing course. If you directly search as Google Digital Unlock, you would get to see this learndigital.google.com and you would see this particular link which says Google Digital Unlock. If you see, it has a lot of online courses and certification and partner program. You can also see a lot of remote work options. Today we're going to only see about the online courses. If you come down, you would see totally 155 courses here, and it has the categories as well, like you want to learn only digital marketing, career development and data. So you can choose a filter and only see the relevant courses here. These also have the timeline, the course length. You want to learn within 2 hours, between 2 to 10 hours, and depending on the timeline, your availability, you can choose the courses. And you also have a free and paid certification. If you want to go for a free, then choose this one, or if you want to pay and get certified for some advanced level of courses, then you can go for the paid certification. And the same with this level of your knowledge, you can go from the beginner, intermediate or advanced level of courses. If you completely have no knowledge, then start from the beginner. The best part about this is it has a lot of course providers, like the course creators from whom you can learn. So it has the Google courses, Coursera, FutureLearn, Google Cloud. So these are the course creators. You can choose one of them and start learning the courses built by themselves. You have option to learn from the multiple course creators. That is the best part about this website. It is not only from Google, you have multiple course creators. The last one is surprisingly Facebook. Yes, you can get the free courses and certification from the Facebook itself. Search for Facebook Blueprint. You would see a link to learn the courses and get certification, where they will be teaching you how to do the brand awareness, how to get the leads, how to monetize your content, how to create a page, how to search for your audience, how to engage with your audience, how to create a strategy, and how to create ads manager, how to run ads, and how to increase your sales and retarget the audience. So all these relevant topics and courses are available inside this Facebook Blueprint. You can get started to learn from Facebook itself. If you search as Facebook Blueprint in the Google, you would get to see this particular link, facebook.com business learn courses. Facebook is offering many of the courses to promote any business online with the help of Facebook. So you can create a brand awareness, promote your local business, increase the sales, promote your app, generate leads, monetize your content and retarget your existing customers. Now with that, Facebook has different categories of topics, like how you can set up a business online with the help of Facebook, how to create a Facebook page, how to attract your audience, how to find your audience, how to build a relationship with the customer. It shows all sort of creative strategies, how to create a content, how to optimize your strategy. And it also has a complete course and journey of how to sell a product online with the help of Facebook ads, start advertising with the help of your page, how to create an ads manager, how to monetize your content, and many other ways how you can run a business with the help of Facebook. You can promote your business in these 3 apps, Facebook, Instagram and WhatsApp. In Facebook, you can also promote in different places like Messenger, Stories and different places. There are plenty of courses and certification programs. You can opt in for the courses which you would like to learn and get certified from the Facebook itself. It is always better to learn from the Facebook itself than learning from any other courses. And remember, it is absolutely free. If you are a business owner or a beginner who is thinking to learn digital marketing, this is the best time invested. This is the best investment of your time to learn. Because if you are a business owner, you can generate your own leads without hiring or paying any digital marketer. If you are a digital marketer, you can start learning the basics and start offering your services to any of the small business owners to grow their business. These are the free 5 websites where you can learn the digital marketing course for free and get certification from that brand itself. I hope this video helps you to learn the digital marketing course for free without any further excuses or without investing any money. Go ahead and start learning the digital marketing course. Let me know your thoughts and comments, and let me know what type of content you would require in my next upcoming videos. Please hit the subscribe button to follow me on this channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.